Hello and welcome to another episode of Techfanaticofficial, your honest guide to the Cryptoverse. Today I'm going to talk about Eclipse Finance, which is more of a revolutionary hub for interchain token launches and bringing the value into the community. So if you quickly jump into them, they offer a comprehensive modular solution for tokens and liquidity needs. They are going to be the primary go-to-market platform for Neutron chain, and they have the advantage to be well positioned in capitalizing the Neutron Chain, which is a Cosmos ecosystem platform for people in Cosmos, in layer two in Cosmos, because Cosmos is very popular, but didn't receive the much needed love from a lot of launchpads. So Eclipse is trying to address that gap actually. And it's focusing on a sustainable, privacy preserving, modular, innovative solution. And their four principles are being modular. So they're going to offer different types of launches, not always IDO style, could be a lock drop or auction style. They do account abstraction. They focus on deal flow from top tier VCs and especially Cosmos ecosystem. They have a focus on a DeFi first ZK sync approach. So they will preserve your privacy while asking you for KYC. Now, going back again, they position themselves, as I said, for Cosmos partnership and ecosystem. They have also working with leading projects like Celestia, and they're working with Delphi Digital and many other platforms. The the team and advisory is also quite strong. So, for example, they're launching a few new projects already. They did their own race, and they did the raise on neutral chain, and also they're doing the raise on stable platform. So the good thing about the project is with Neutron is new. They haven't attracted any other launchpads and users, so they're gonna attract all the Neutron platform users. And Neutron is non-EVM on Cosmos, and they can bring people who are EVM from like Ethereum, Binance, others via the bridge that there is now between Neutron and those platforms and build liquidity from there. And Neutron is quite cheap, uses USDC, so liquidity can be moved from there. So that's why intentionally they did their own raise on their platform on Neutron, and in other platform they did it on Arbitrum, and people can move a bridge between Arbitrum to Neutron, vice versa. So that's one of the unique things that they're doing to bring all the liquidity cross chain. And also they're building big projects on different chains to bring into this space. So that's basically about the project in that sense. Now, in terms of token utility, token launch, tokenomics, the key utilities, the 10% of the fees will be charged for launches are in USDC and partly in Eclipse token. So Eclipse token will be used to buy the tokens for IDO. 2 to 5% of the lock drops also collected in project tokens. 10% of the trading fees on the automatic market making pools will be launched by the Astroport on Eclipse because they're partnered with them. And you can stake to participate in token launches to get the cosmic tier level and get new projects. You can get rewards in Eclipse Finance and also future IDO airdrops, and you get voting power for the DAO. So these are some of the utilities that they have. In terms of tokenomics, they have 16% in private sale, 19% for community staking reward, 20% ecosystem growth, 8% IDO, 11% treasury, floating liquidity 6%, team 15, and 5% for advisors. So now jumping into the team and advisory, you can find the team actually if you go all the way to the bottom. And I'm just gonna check if they have more here. No, that's fine. So moving into the team, they have Simon Chadwick and Simon Ram from Australia. They're based in Melbourne, who are very experienced in the field of DeFi and been around since 2017. They've got Shannon as well, and people who have worked with Cosmos ecosystem in terms of advisors and the team members. Also, they have uh, it's very small to see, but they have the founder of multiple projects, Redkite. I'm not sure who is he. Jackson Chan, former engineer in Synthetics platform, again Australian. They have head of Anchor Protocol. They have Rupi Land. They have ex Spartan Jeff from ex Spartan Capital. So they have big VC for deal flow as well. They've got the partner of Renstone Capital, and also they brought Bradley Townsend as an advisor from Akron Trading. So which is gonna be working with them as well as a market making platform. So They have brought a range of strong team and partners as well for the project. Now, in terms of the roadmap for the project as well, which you can find on their white paper, and also they have it, if you go around on their website. Actually, before jumping into that, I would like to cover the partners. So they have Big Brain Holdings, OB Ventures, ZKME, Zero Cap, Australian financial platform for crypto, QuantBlock, CoinSeeker, and a few partners in the Cosmos ecosystem. Now, need to jump into the roadmap. In Q3, they built and deployed the IDO platform, liquidity bootstrapping, and Neutron testnet. They pioneer NFT with 35 partners build up. They brought Squid and Kado on ramp and did their auditing. Q4, which is now end of December, they're doing the lock drop and LBA. IDO launch is happening now. KOLs listing on DEX and exchanges. Q1, they focused on the first IDOs. They will have a bridge between the GMP. They're going to have on-chain and off-chain ramp reputation scoring. And then Q2 and beyond, they're going to have the full transition into the DAO council and the accelerator that they're going to build and the NFT allocations. There are also many items on the roadmap, such as the decentralization platform to reduce the risk for investment. They're gonna provide minimal equivalent value for claiming allocation ticket to do a lock minimum of the tokens to get a good ratio, creating tradable NFTs for IDOs, and multiple launch mechanism for different platforms that they're gonna have. Now, moving into the tokenomics, they have, let's see the tokenomics here and token utility. So token utility for Eclipse, they have 10% of the fees charged for IDOs taken in part USDC and part in token. So that means they're gonna charge their token itself, Eclipse, for some of the IDOs. That's gonna help with the price movement. They're gonna have 2 to 5% for lock drops and TVL for projects. They're gonna have 10% of the shared fees on AMM pools by Eclipse for Astroport. They're gonna have people who participate in the token launches. If they get the cosmic tier, they can participate in the IDOs. You can get obviously airdrops of future projects as well as Eclipse as reward for staking. And you can get voting power for the DAO voting. For the token itself, private sale is 16%, community incentives 19%, ecosystem 20%, team 15%, treasury 11%, advisors 5%. Floating liquidity 6%, and then the public IDO itself was 8%. Now jumping into the tokenomics in more detail. So for the public platform, they're gonna be a price of 0.075 cents. And that's gonna be a total token supply of 300 million tokens. The initial market cap is going to be 800K without liquidity, with liquidity 1.6 mil. Vesting is 20% TGE, 1 month cliff, and then 6 months vesting for the IDO platform. And the initial circulation is going to be 20.9 million. So that's the tokenomics as well. And if you want more detail, you can go to the white paper and see their tokenomics. So for KOLs, they did 15% at 0.066 and 15% TGE. And then the rest is 1 month cliff and 8 months vesting. But you can go to Engine Starter to get more detail also about the whole platform and how it works. So FTV of around 20 million for the project, I would say, and which is acceptable considering the rate of the project that they are offering. Now, in terms of marketing, they are boosting a huge amount of marketing campaigns. So as you can see, they have 200,000 people following them on Twitter. Very, very active, very, very active platform they have in terms of participation and information sharing, volume, and the IDOs being sold out. So they sold out on Gamefi platform, Camelot. They're going to be on Gate.io, on Astroport, but they are really, really active basically. And they're going to list on Gate.io as well on the 22nd. And generally, they have a big community. That's for Impossible Finance as well. They have a big community. They have Ivan on Tech on board and many other big KOL. So that's going to help them also with pumping their platform. And that's why Twitter is popular. 96,000 members of Discord. They've got 2,000 members, 30,000 members on Telegram. So really, really active community that they have. for their platform, basically. Now, in terms of the IDO, it's happening on multiple platforms: Impossible Finance, Spartadex, Gamefi, and now Engine Starter is doing the IDO as well. Engine Starter is using 300,000. IDO is on the 21st, and already they've sold 200K, and the first come first serve round is happening right now. And the listing will be on the 22nd of December, primary listing on gate.io. They're also going to be on Camelot, and that's more on the Arbitrum, and Astroport, which is useful for the Neutron chain. So I think it's quite a popular project, and it does have a fair bit of hype with that involved. And long term, I think it's going to have, and as you can see, a lot of people following them. Long term, I think they're going to have quite a successful launch. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any question about the project, please put it down as a comment in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time. Good luck.